2, 1.
Hey there, how's it going?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. I was thinking about how important English is nowadays.
Oh yeah, why do you think so?
Well, first of all, English is like a global language. People from different countries use it to communicate.
True, it's like a bridge that connects us all.
It opens up so many opportunities. Many jobs and companies require you to know English. It's like a key to unlock more possibilities.
Yeah, I've heard that too. It's not just about work though. Even when you travel, English can be really helpful.
Absolutely, it's like a universal language for tourists. You can ask for directions, order food, and make friends easily.
Right. And what about the internet? So much information is in English. If you know the language, you can learn so much more.
That's a great point. Many websites, videos, and books are in English. It's like having access to a whole world of knowledge.
Plus, if you want to study abroad, English is often the language of instruction.
Exactly. It's not just for travel or work, it's also about education. Learning in English can open doors to top universities.
I never thought about it that way. English really is a powerful tool.
And it's not just about speaking. Writing in English is important too. Many official documents and emails are in English.
True. It's not only about conversations, but also about expressing yourself effectively.
And let's not forget about making friends. English helps you connect with people from different cultures.
You're right. Language is a big part of understanding each other.
So what do you think? Should we practice our English more often?
Definitely. It's not just a language, it's a skill that can open doors to a world of opportunities.
Agreed. Let's make a plan to improve our English together.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.